When was the last time you were surprised?
Welcome to the region of Valencia.
Welcome to the future. A region full of energy. A region full of innovation and design. Full of ideas, talent, creativity and entrepreneurs. A space in the Mediterranean perfect for people, projects and companies that believe in themselves. Because our present is our companies. And our companies mean competitiveness and added value. Companies that surprise. Because we have one of the most advanced car manufacturing plants in Europe. We create communication technology that is exported around the world. We produce products that care for us thanks to leading companies in cosmetics research, pharmacology and chemistry. World-class manufacturers of machinery for transport. Companies at the vanguard for furniture, design and art. International games and toy producers, shoes, fashion, home and lifestyle. Trend-setting companies. We are leaders in distribution in Spain with premier companies and logistics hubs for food production. We are one of the top citric fruit exporters in the world. But we want to be more. More efficient. More sustainable. More connected. To do this, we have an excellent infrastructure and communications network. A perfect strategic logistical hub, the biggest commercial port in the Mediterranean, the best road connections, the best modern train network, and an expanding network of airports. This is Valencia. This is the future of a region with exceptional weather and a tourism industry that goes far beyond gastronomy, leisure, beaches, sun, shopping, culture, traditions, and sensations. We are energy, we are service, we are manufacturing, distribution, production, design and innovation. We are professionalism and consistency. We are the future. Let Valencia surprise you. A region open to the world. A region that is the present and the future.